Dear friend, good morning. Wishing you a very happy semester ahead. This is very unpleasant and unfortunate that while this semester is being started, we are not able to meet each other personally, because teaching and learning is very pleasant where you people are at campus. We are really missing you at campus. We feel very lonely and very incomplete without you. But as the technology has now advanced and we have so many technological tools available, the situation can be much better. So we will be using all possible technology tools, softwares and necessary platforms where we do not miss each other and our teaching learning becomes the present as always. I will be teaching you the course EC 713, Testing and Verification of Electronic Circuit. As you people are aware, this is an elective course in 7th semester, and in this course particularly we will be talking about how this course is of importance, because while there is too much weightage is given on designing and developing of electronic circuits, but none of the item, none of the thing in this world is complete if it is directly designed, produced and sent for the use. After designing and producing, there should be a great role of testing. Any product before using must be tested. The test gives us the confidence, and with that confidence we use the item very happily, and if we are happy with this usage, we will like to reuse it also, the same product again and again. So basically this course will be about testing and verification of electronic circuit. We will be meeting at least 3 times in a week on this platform, and I insist we will be touch for all necessary questions and discussion 24/7 through different possible technologies. It may be mail, it may be our LMS system, it may be my mobile number, my landline number. You may reach to me. In this first hour, I will be sharing with you all the facts and figures related to this course. Basically, I will be discussing all the course design policy and A to Z of the course in the first hour of this course. And later on, subsequently, I will be sending you the video for each single hour, that what we are going to discuss with and what prerequisites you need to have with you. We will be having some homework, some pre-quizzes, some post-quizzes, so I insist that every time you be prepared with whatever the task you are given before the next lecture come. We will be meeting on WebEx platform, and LMS will be extensively used for all other necessary activities. We will be discussing this in our regular lecture. So this is all the pre-synopsis of the lecture 1, Introduction of Testing and Verification of VLSI Design. Sorry, Testing and Verification of Electronic Circuit. Thank you.